What's up, YouTube? Now, back with an update on the topics. Now, what I'm seeing in the remaining hurricane season, that we are going to have another strange anomaly system that's going to form by the end of this month, which we have Invest 99. I believe it will be the next tropical storm will be named Sarah. Now, for all of the YouTubes and people that's pushing continent, and I want to say to all of the meteorologists, the people that was saying that hurricane season was going to be a bust, but I see a strong system that's coming right after the end of this month. So let's get started with this video with Invest 99, which will be Sarah, and it's getting a lot of convection, which will be favorable condition throughout this month and the beginning of December. Now, this wave will go into Honduras, and it's gonna form very quickly, and it's gonna reach a landfall in Florida. So, I want to say that it's going to be hit with some wind shear in the north, and the wind shear in the south will help this storm grow into a major hurricane by the time it goes to Florida. So what I have been seeing on the latest Euro models and the GFS models, that this storm is going to fight through the wind shear, and the wind shear that's on the south is going to help this storm, to develop. So if you're in the Florida Keys, if you're in Florida, this is the time that you want to prepare for this one, because this storm is going to bring in significant impacts. We talking about winds, a lot of rain that you may not need. So supposedly it's supposed to stop the drought that we have in fires that, in Southern California, in Northern California. So it's going to bring in, heavy amount of rain. So, I know some of, people need the rain, but we talking about rain that it's going to be too much rain. So, like I said, be prepared, because they got this within the next 48 hours that this storm will develop into a major hurricane. So the latest tracks that the storm, can go to Florida. And after that, we don't know, like I said, it's up a graph for the storm can continue to grow and continue to head northern. So it's a heads up. Like I said, you guys, you watch it. I'm going to be watching it. You guys, be safe.